Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Viktoria Creates English version. In this video I will show you how to sew a simple wallet. Let's get started. Cut the main fabric, lining fabric and interfacing of 2 pieces each. Elastic tape 1 piece. Connect the lining fabric and the interfacing with the wrong side to each other. Put any fabric on top to protect the iron from glue. Iron it. Iron 1/4 inches allowance on top of the lining fabric. This step makes it easier to stitch the zipper. Position the elastic tape where you need it and stitch it. Make as many sections as you like. Lay the main fabric facing to you. Put on in the zipper with the wrong side to you. Then put the lining fabric also with the wrong side. Fasten everything with pins and baste it. Stitch the zipper. Open a little the zipper. Make a tag. Sew little. Close the zipper and continue to sew. Remove the basting. Turn one part of the wallet to the front. Stitch on the front side from the edge 1/16 inches. You need a Teflon foot only if you sew from faux leather. Put the second part of the main fabric facing to you. Put the first set on top of it. Then put the lining fabric also with the front side. Baste it and stitch. Stitch on the front side backing from the edge 1/16 inches. Connect the main fabric with the lining. Open a little the zipper. Remember that the zipper looks towards the lining fabric. Secure with pins. Sew on all sides, leaving unstitched 4 inches in the lining. Turn the wallet on the front side. Pin the middle of the lining. Sew along the entire length. I hope you liked this video. If so, thumbs up. Please make sure to share this video with your friends. Subscribe to my channel. I release a new video twice a month, so you will not miss any interesting video for you. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!